Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock friends or unblock someone on Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've recently blocked someone on your Mobile Legends game, but you'd like to unblock that person again in case you've changed your mind, then open up your Mobile Legends application on your mobile device. Once you are logged into your account, from the main homepage of Mobile Legends, tap on the social icon at the bottom right. In the social tab, tap on the Blacklist button at the bottom left in order to open up your blocked friends list. If you'd like to unblock some of your friends from your account, tap on the trash icon right next to the person's profile and tap on OK in order to remove the person from the list. Soon after that, as you've removed the person, you'll be able to unblock them on Mobile Legends. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.